Okay, this is a 2022 Toyota Corolla. And to reset the tire pressure light, you're gonna start the engine. Just make sure you set the tire pressures to the correct pressure before you do this. Okay, you're gonna use these arrow buttons here to scroll through the icons. Go to settings, scroll down, go to vehicle settings, and you're gonna hold the OK button. Okay, then Tpms pops up. And you're going to select it by pressing OK, and then set pressure by pressing OK, or holding OK. Okay, now you can let go of the OK button and it will say setting tire pressure warning system, and that's it. Just make sure you set your tire pressures to the correct pressures before you follow this procedure. The correct pressures are on the door with the yellow and white sticker. That's it.